Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina, and today is Thursday, October 7th. Today I'm going to give you the preview of our Handmade Market, another vendor. This vendor is called Designed for Joy, and this is a local company that makes handcrafted products in the United States by women coming out of vulnerable situations. They provide living wage work hours while building confidence and refreshing resumes. All of their leather products come from ethically sourced leather, and they've got a lot of bags, a lot of jewelry. I bought a really fun cuff when they were with us back in May, and they do really nice work for women in our area. So there's another little clutch bag in beautiful purple, kind of plummy leather with a fun tassel on the end. And so that's Designed for Joy. They do have a website as well, so I'll link that for you in the description of today's video. Today we have Cozy Up by Corey Yoder for coriander quilts. We also have the Cozy Up kit here in the shop, but now the yardage is here, and we do also have precuts. So today I'm going to show you the yardage, and then we'll go over what we think of it. So this is a perfect fall line for kind of reminding you of picnics under falling leaves or reading a book out in the garden. And just really pretty kind of soft colors. And then I have one more right here. That's a lovely kind of taupey gray color. And here's one more print in that in a different colorway. You got to turn it back towards you. There you go. Now we have flowers in many colorways. I really like the color combinations in this collection. Next, we have adorable acorns. How can you resist a little acorn? Oh, I like that color for this particular print. And again, the combination of small prints and larger prints with different backgrounds makes a really exciting quilt. And a little floral pattern. It looks like rain behind it. I like how they filled in the background with that one. And there's some leaves in that too. That's fun, the little orangey red leaves. And then we have some teeny tiny dots. Look how small those little dots are. Very tiny dots. We have those on gray. And then here is your picnic blanket print to remind you of picnics in the fall. And then a couple with words. And these look like names of trees. That would be a really fun thing to incorporate for a nature lover or outdoor lover. Whoa. And then we also have that in multicolors that reflect all the colors from the line. So that's what we have for you today. We'll be back tomorrow with more fabric and Fat Quarter Friday. Hope you have a great afternoon. Bye.